Morning.
Morning, Lucky.
Monday. Wakey, eggs and bakey.
It was, Chris. I really needed it. I took a random vacation to Colorado. Didn't get to the mountains, unfortunately. We wanted to, didn't have time. Morning, Victor. Local. What are you watching today, Lug?
I'm just about to. Wow, I've got just a scan, so early days. But if I can get this to work. Oh, you kidding me? Did I do that really? Yep. That's annoying.
Thanks, Fox. I'm rusty today, so I'm a trader in about a week and a half, so I'm going to just take it slow today. Morning, Jason.
Good morning.
Morning.
How was the little vacation?
It was nice. It's nice to get away for a little bit.
Yeah, I'm sure between Skylar, Spencer, and me, and probably Leggy, we got 100 messages at least of people asking where you were or why you wasn't streaming.
And they're back.
I'm trying to play some music. That is stream friendly. That's my word. Woo. Let me know if that's too loud, guys, and I'll turn it down. Right now I'm just paper trading, Michael. Not Russian hard base, Jason. Yeah, I haven't even looked at the SPY. What's been going on with the overall? Had a pullback, but I'm feeling this kind of. Looks like we might be having a bull day today on S&P. Shit. I have not, Simon. Leroy, there is a guy in here though that trades Elliott waves. I'm seeing a small gap up on SPY. I think this might be the bottom, and it might continue back up. We'll see what happens. Alright, Facebook, let's check out the big players. Damn, Facebook had a hard week last week. Looks like it's gapping up though. Thank you for the sub, Nathan. I did not know that. Did Mac come back? Has anybody seen him? There's a lot of potential. Yeah, there's a lot of potential in Spartan's course over the long run. Like, as far as my trading career, I'm really interested in learning Spartan strategy because I'm struggling with it right now. It seems simple, but for some reason I just can't get the goddamn thing down. I'm still trying to like figure it out. It seems pretty straightforward, but I've been having a rough time with it. Yeah, I'm liking Facebook though. So I messaged Mac and asked him if he was coming back, and he said yes, and then I never heard from him again. The nice thing about Spartan's course, though, is that you can swing trade and day trade with it, and you can scale with it. So you can, as you get better at it, you can have more and more trades open, which is something that I really like. Yeah, I'm having a rough. That's my biggest issue, Chris. See, I'm in the exact same boat. Entries. Right now, I'm looking. From what I've gathered, is I'm looking for congruency. I'm looking for daily trend breaks and then congruency on the 1 hour. And then I enter using the 3 minute as it confirms. And I usually wait for... I try to wait till 9:50 to the clock before I get into a trade because that confirms the overall trend for the day usually. So for example, Facebook, we've got a daily trend break right here on the hourly, and we've gapped up, and now we're above the white EMA, and we're probably going to go long at least up to the 50 EMA. But this could be, you know, the fill back up to the daily EMAs. So I would like to see it break yesterday's high and hold and confirm on the 10 minute, and then I'll get into this long for the day. And if the S&P 500 goes long as well, then that'll be a very good long play for the day. But my entries, I'm working on my entries on the 3 minute instead of using the 10 minute because I find the 10 minute is very rough as well to enter on.
I don't know how I managed to do this, but my pre-market scanners, my gap scanners are gone. And I don't remember exactly how I had it set up.
Damn, it looks like everything's been beaten to hell this week. I'll look for Tesla long. Should be a little bit louder there. How's the weed stocks been doing last week?
Pretty crazy, dude. I mean, Silveray's been mini Tesla.
Going to the moon?
It's been up and down. I mean, they're all big spread. Silveray's got he was moving flavor of the month. Not all up. Retail
You're real quiet, Leg, for some reason.
Yeah, I have my mic pushed up on my head.
Morning, Prairies. Daniel.
The restoration hardware has been interesting. It's been crazy. RH.
You guys been shorting RH?
Yeah. Although I had a long on Friday.
You still just
Open.
trading off the 200?
200 VWAP and really trying to hone in on support and resistance breakouts. 200 and the 4 crossing the 55. Those are the two indicators I have. We've got some iterations on those, but
Morning, Prairies.
trying to find, I added some filters to these a little bit to filter out some of the false indicators, but still not 100% happy, but it's a good confirmation if it's already moving the way that you want it to go.
Yeah. Looks like RH might be a long today if it can get some momentum.
Yeah, she had, I would say, almost a reversal or consolidation day Friday. Compared to previous days, if you look back, like, it would have been Tuesday, Wednesday last week. Tuesday, Wednesday, I mean, Tuesday she went from $160 to 148 in half a day. Even what open to close, it was 162 down to 151, so all you would have to do on that day is click sell. So I'm not sure. Hopefully she's active and goes up or down.
Oh, you're watching Riot?
Yes, on the list.
Yeah, I do focus on breakouts, Super Game Boy. I prefer daily range breaks, and then I
Just
trade that
filtering
intraday.
through. So Fred, that looks interesting. FRED, maybe. Apparently Walgreens are looking to purchase them. Rallied 40%. Low value, so $2.50.
Why the Riot fall off a cliff? Yes, Friday. Just technical.
Riot?
Yeah.
Not sure. We weren't watching it. I wasn't watching it Friday. Looking at it now, definitely looks like a technical. Not sure if there was any news.
I try to do 2 to 1 or 3 to 1 or higher. Morning,
Hello,
Skyler.
man. Getting any of that rain?
Not yet.
Just watching on the news. Looks pretty bad over that end.
Yeah, that's why we did the whole the gutters and all that stuff yesterday. So we got the basement and all that crap. So
What's the ticker, Luke? TLRY, is that what you're talking
So
about?
it looks like Fred, TLRY, TSLA, Twitter, ECYT, MNKD, OSTK, and GEMP.
Netflix has got good up and downside, depending on which way it goes today.
And yep, it's the bad either.
MU might be a nice fill as well. Depends on which way it goes, Super Game Boy. I'm no bias, just whatever the chart tells me. I like that song. How do I go back? Oh, fuck.
anybody interested in doing earnings reports today, or are they all done? I haven't looked.
I looked yesterday, but nothing popped up on that website. Let me have a look.
Might be done for the next couple months.
COE, DEST, and HOV.
Is it COV, HOV?
COE. I'll post it.
It just depends on your setup, Super Game Boy. There's no right or wrong monitor to have. It just depends on how you trade. I trade off of a ultra wide 32-inch. There's the NVIDIA pullback. Yes, I am bored. I'll be right back. I'm gonna grab some water. Morning, Motley. It is nice. I actually got engaged on the vacation. Thanks, Jason. Yeah, I need to figure that out. Board, you should be able to see. No, you can't. No, you can't see that shit. Wonder if Streamlabs has a clock.
Fred is going to the moon. Look at that.
Oh, nice, Molly. You live there, or are you just visiting? Let's see if I can get this clock working. Oh, shit. Nope, that's not what I want. I broke it. There we go. Is that working? Yeah, it's working. Where should I put the clock, though? I guess that works. Oh, that's kind of nice. I can just add widgets to my stream. What software are you trading with, Ben?
Simon?
Ooh, that's a long drive.
Garen was putting a clock on the stream.
What were you saying, Skylar?
No, I said where you got it. That'll work. It's out of the way.
Mm-hmm.
I need to set up my. Okay, I need to go through Streamlabs. Facebook merge.
Well, there's our pump and dump.
Which one?
Fred.
Yeah, it's up there. Does have news though.
I don't trade crypto,
news?
Simon.
All greens are buying them.
Ugh.
Hmm? That's exciting now.
Yeah, well, strong resistance at $1.95, $2. If we go through that,
Did you say red, R-E-D?
Fred, F-R-E-D.
Hey everyone, I'm on YouTube. The URL to Nerd or Die enabled. 15 minutes.
Yeah, it looks like Ryan got in a bit of trouble trading at work.
Oh. Ryan, as in Ryan PDT?
Yeah. He said he got his the new HQ set up and done, but I'm still trying to set up a damn day when I can video his trading.
Look at that Tesla up $9.
Yep.
Wind can be a good mover.
As in the casino.
Yeah, they've taken a little bit of a hit lately. Just got to be careful with that one. It's usually got pretty big spreads. Roku still trying to push.
Overstock's up.
It's all that. I think RH is trying to take a little bit of a bounce too.
Mm-hmm. $4 overnight. TLRY, pretty active.
Yeah, I'm not going to smoke that one today. Amazing how old news can affect CBS so much. I guess now they have new allegations out, and now it's up another $1.
Oh, Christ.
Supposedly he left today, though, so now they
He
don't
resigned
have...
over the weekend.
Yeah. So, I mean, getting rid of cancer could certainly make it go up, but now they have the uncertainty of who's gonna run CBS. Apple's probably going to be interesting.
Whoa, yeah. Well, looks worse on the chart when you zoom out. $1, $2. Capped down $5.
Yeah, that's got a mixed emotion there.
It's consolidating nicely at the top then.
Mm-hmm. Got all that news about Trump telling them to make their product in the U.S., though, so...
Sorry, I was talking about Fred. But yeah, Apple, I'm sure that's not going down well. The US fab, iPhones will now be $2,000 instead of $1,000.
Yeah, people will probably pay it, too.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, whatever. I'll just do that later. Ah, it hurts my neck to look like that. Yeah, I follow the VWAP. Yeah, I have. I've always paid attention to the VWAP. Ah.
Hey, did your Twitch stream just drop out for anybody else?
No, I'm good.
Watching YouTube.
Looks like Ryan's watching Coop too. It is set up, Jason. What else do I need to do? Oh, I don't know. Oh, you have to be an affiliate to do that, and I don't want to affiliate because then I can't stream on YouTube. I did set up the donation, though, for YouTube. It should be working. Why not? Ah. Right now I'm paper trading, Simon. Did you just delete your watch list, Skylar?
No, I've posted it 3 times, and every time I put it up, updated, it just goes away. I think I need to start Discord or something.
Huh.
Let me try and restart
Morning,
Discord.
Yos.
I'll be right back.
Yeah, shoot. You can ask me anything, Mug.
Huh. It's really weird. I post, it comes on, and then it disappears. I'm just going to post it in our regular watch list room. Worry about it later. CBS over 57. PC YT over 20. Let's see. Win. Win will probably over the 131, but I need to see that open.
I have not traded Forex. No, Showtime. Live data is really just the most important thing to have from TOS. It's just Pretzel, stream royalty-free streaming music.
I'd like to see ECYT pull back a little bit and take off.
It's
It may just go.
the EDM.
Good luck, guys.
I haven't, Simon.
Oh, who needs luck, right?
That's the attitude, Spencer.
CBS flushing.
Tesla running long. Netflix and Facebook bearish. TLRY running.
Yeah, look at that thing, dude. $6 out of the open. Well, not quite, but still.
We have Euro traders, Tabby. If you're in the Discord, there's this link in the description. We have an entire section for under Educational Corner Euro traders. They talk about all their setups and the software that they use. So just check that out and feel free to ask any questions in there, and they'll get to you. I'm not from Europe, so I'm not the best person to ask that on what to do, unfortunately. MU falling as well, hitting low consolidation. Broke yesterday's low.
Watch ECYT still over 19.
CVNA.
I'm going to take Netflix short at 350.50. Nah, it's still too early. I'll wait. There's a link in the description for the Discord.
Watch ADSK, guys. And good morning, by the way. Good morning. Morning, morning. ADSK may give us a nice rally today. Just thinking it may. this case, in this flag type formation, we're just looking for it to break above the highs, and we could get a rally out of it back to the 160 area.
ECYT trying for entry again. CGC long at 52 coming up.
I've learned a lot, Mug, but I'm not profitable. Well, I could be profitable depending on if I had a bigger account and my commissions didn't eat my account up. But I'm not super profitable if I didn't have commissions. You trying to get into ECYT long?
Yeah, if it gives us a shot.
What, $18 flat?
I'd really like it to be to the uptick. Looks like she's wanting to come back down. CGC on the long side.
Morning, Sin.
Slow morning.
Yep.
I want CGC above 52.15 for a long. Facebook is a bear flag right now, about to pop or reverse. I don't know what a value play is, Todd.
CGC.
SQ on the low end of its 3-day range.
Damn, it's the CGC.
All right, come on, CGC. Give us that breakout.
Here's the pullback on CLDR, the uptick.
Partial CGC. Looking for it to break out.
GC looks nice with some short-term upside. I still see that there is possibly some potential for it to give another wave back to previous.
Watch Tesla to the short side here.
Tesla.
Yeah, it might be a rejection on Tesla.
Yeah, it's trying to make up its mind here.
Waiting for an uptick on MRVL for a short.
Fred coming down. Should have took that one. Take Tesla long over 275 if it breaks.
Facebook rejected, looking short. Took Facebook short at 162.65.
Fred looks like a rejection. More downside. Facebook looks like consolidation for more upside.
I'm not right now, Fox.
I was trying to catch that Fred traded to the upside since last week. And now market's open to just gapped up.
Roku short, maybe. She's going.
Yeah, I'm about to come out of the last little bit of CGC here.
Yeah, left on that test. It almost hit VWAP a few candles back. Roku's breaking. Missed that one.
Checking. Yeah, she's gonna. If she don't go to all-time high, she's gonna get rejected. Just gotta watch that one though, leg.
Yeah, I know she's strong, but she was setting herself up for a breakdown. There she goes. I mean, it's $1, probably 75 cents, $1. So far.
The way the market's been this morning, it'd be worth it.
Mm-hmm. I can say I'm
Yeah.
losing money.
Yeah.
I'm not really making much. Look at that fucking Roku.
Should took it, brother.
I know, man. I looked at it.
I'm looking more in the sell direction, Roku. On the longer term.
Oh no, for sure. She's been strong. Today she's kind of sure today's gonna be a consolidation day.
Yeah, that's likely as well. But upside seems limited.
Fred owes me some money.
Fred?
Yeah.
You traded that this morning already?
Yeah. I did.
I'll take Roku short if this 10-minute confirms.
CGC and Fred. Those are my two for the day. So far.
Green on CGC.
Green on CGC.
Garen, you can't short Roku.
Can I? Can you not do it on TOS?
Nope.
And there's ETB on mine. But
Yeah, CGC's coming back. So
Because I was just about ready to do that myself.
Looking for CGC to come back to around 50, 60.
No problem, Muktavi. Yeah, not afraid to admit I suck at trading right now.
In that area, then maybe possible longs could show its face. But still short term.
I need confirmation to take this short. Just have to wait for a little bit. Give it like 10 minutes on Roku. See what happens with it.
You're just going to mentally go in?
On Roku?
Yeah.
I'm waiting for it to confirm that it's actually a downtrend and it's not just bottoming out and bouncing off the trend, the 1 hour trend. I'm going to practice that thing called patience.
What the heck's patience?
You still long CGC, Skyler?
No, I came out at I'd have to look back, but I came out before we crossed over the VWAP. Watching it right now though.
Longer term CGC looks bullish, but on the short term, bearish.
All right, Tesla, come on. Give us a trade.
I'm mad at Roku.
why are you mad at it?
Can't short it with the paper account.
Oh.
double bottom on CGC. I'm going to take it long at 51.50s. Looks like I missed it.
I was getting ready to ask you if you got it.
I missed it.
We've got this neighbor who's got an alarm going off at their house since like 11:30 last night, and the firefighters are just now showing up.
Oh. That's really sad. Someone could have been getting killed in there.
Yeah, we called the police last night just to check on it.
The cops came.
Briefly.
But let's hope it's not nothing bad.
Oh, that's annoying.
Coop is cup and handling on the 3 minute.
Ready for a partial on Tesla?
Yeah, they're a terrible company. I hate EA. As far as a video gamer. As far as stock charts. Bearish. Across the 200 SMA on the daily. It's kind of just in a consolidation period right now. But as far as the daily chart goes, it's bearish.
Just
Which
looks like it has some potential for upside.
Makes me happy because I'm not a fan of EA.
180.
I would
But with
like to
that's
see
going
their
on with
stock tank.
Elon Musk, I'm thinking it's possible he's, trying to tank Tesla's stocks to buy it up to go private. What do you guys think?
Could be.
Yeah, it does seem that way from looking at the charts.
MNKD at $2. It's going to move that much though. So she's setting up for a long. Maybe it low. Let's see.
Looking for a Netflix short off trend break. Or a VWAP reject.
CGC looks good.
Yeah, just saw that. Too late. VWAP looks good.
Slow morning.
Yeah. A little bit of that Tesla, that was good.
ADSK. ADSK just looks like it has good potential for upside.
If you didn't get in CGC, if we get up above the break of 53, probably take it again. If she gets there.
Make it past that previous peak.
Yeah. Get a little momentum.
I got some of it earlier today, but
Well, CGC did crack the highs, previous highs. Did give a decent pullback, like half of the move that was expected. So it could rally now, but for some reason I don't think it will. I think it's gonna continue down some more before it goes up. This is probably just the retracement of the move down. And then you get some more. If you look at the previous move down, it kind of moved exactly like it's moving now. Gave a red candle, came back, retested the high, then went down again. So we could see some movement similar to what we see next to it, at least on the 15-minute time frame. That's what I'm looking at.
Well then.
Marvel, MRVL, $19.
All those good movies, and this is what the chart looks like.
That's different. Different MRVL, some pharmaceutical company.
Oh, it's a pharmaceutical. I thought it was a comics.
Nah.
It looks like it has upside potential in the long term, though. Right now, it's just in a accumulation phase.
Looking to
Well,
go.
boredom may give us our plays, but Watching Fred right now to see what we're going to do.
Looking at Roku long.
Fred looks like it has very, very big potential for upside. Use on Fred like any fundamentals.
Taking Roku long here.
No one has anything on Fred fundamentally.
2 seconds, man. Try and trade it.
All right. Well, Fred has very
Hold on,
big
Leroy.
upside potential.
Seeing if she's going to hold this VWAP at the moment.
You know, your only issue with entry where you went in, Garen, is you have resistance from the VWAP right above.
Yeah. You guys long and Fred?
I am. Just head down size a bit. Seeing what this candle does. Hopefully she can start moving. 250. Get out if she breaks VWAP. I'm hoping she can hold.
Well, she
It's better.
it looks like it wants to pop.
Yeah.
I'm going to try to get in at 52. One.
I'd watch. She might be running out of gas, guys.
I'm seeing Roku long still, and it's got to get through VWAP, but it's looking pretty decent.
Yeah, I'm watching Roku. She's up at all-time high. She may spend some time consolidating today. Or near all-time highs.
Come on. Fred.
Watch the markets coming down. Watch it. Watch it.
Yeah, I'm small now. Downsized.
I got filled on Fred.
I would watch it.
This is paper right now.
All out Fred.
Yes, it is Thinkorswim with trade ideas scanners on the right.
She might still pop back up, Garen. But she tried hard, but then just got pushed back.
Yeah, I got to stop just below previous candle low. I'm currently trading with about. I'm
Only take a Fred to the short
simulate
side.
trading about $700. I've got my my cheat sheet, my sizing cheat sheet. It tells me how many shares to buy based on my dollar stop loss, based off of $700. I'm risking about $36 per trade right now. Commissions on Thinkorswim, non-paper. I don't trade with Thinkorswim.
Well,
my live account is
far cry from last week.
My live account is Tradenet, and it's about $1.50 per trade. Facebook looking bearish. If it breaks trend.
Looks to me like we need to be starting to look for some short trades.
I'm still short Facebook.
Leggy, weren't you trading with TD?
Yeah, I am.
What are your commissions on that?
$4.50 per trade.
I am
and you got that to be
trying to
down,
trade
right?
full time,
Yeah,
but I
like
don't have a job.
$6.95.
I have a bunch of multiple sources of income. Renting out 2 of my rooms is really what allowed me to dedicate my entire
Tesla's about to test
time
daily lows
to whatever I want and study.
Might be ready for a breakout of the chart pattern.
SQ.
LRY is making a push back up towards 85.
I don't know, Zen. It's very parabolic these past few days, and it hasn't broke that trend yet. For me to get short on SQ, it needs to come down below 88. Thank you for the follow or sub, whoever that was. It will be a very nice short when it does break down, though. I'll take it long as well if it breaks VWAP. Yeah, Roku rejected. I'm getting out of this. Roku rejected off VWAP.
Yeah, we are not in a very good range today for trading.
Oh, that's bloody annoying. Jeez, please.
I tried to, Josh, but
for
today I'm
20 seconds.
Today I'm shutting down the stream early because I gotta shoot some videos. I need to shoot my recap, 1 month recap video over my blowing up my account, and I've got to shoot some other videos. CGC alert making highs.
Yeah, I'll be right back, guys.
SQ looking like it's going long. Touching VWAP or touching VWAP right now. Yeah, I want to see it confirm above VWAP. SQ above VWAP. Glad it's helping you, Daniel. Ah, freaking cat hair. Yeah, SQ's looking good. Gonna try to get in on VWAP.
CGC pushing nice.
Damn it, Facebook. Facebook just does not want to give up. Roku going long. I'm paper trading right now, Alex. It means my account is gone. My first account is gone. Got filled on SQ long. Are you guys still in Fred?
No, I'm in CGC at the minute.
Yeah, Alex, the younger you are, the better it is to get into trading and investing because of compounding interest, because you have more years to grow your money. It's the reason why Warren Buffett's the richest man in the world. It's because he started investing when he was like 8 years old. Because, you know, the more years you have to grow that money, the more it's going to grow.
Just looking for the break of 53.
So the younger you are, the better it is. So I'm 28 years old, so you've got 12 years on me. So, you know, even if we made the same amount of money every year, you would still outpace me because you've got 12 more years available to go than I do. I am trading with, well, I will be trading with Tradenet when I go back to live, but right now I'm trading paper with TOS. You know, I need to convert my I need to convert my good scanner to trade ideas. Hey, Kendo. Chatting with 23-year-old stock trading millionaire LA. No, I don't. What's LA HWF channel? I'm not familiar with that one.
Awesomecalls. I'm here with Dr. Ramani Durvasula, author of Should I Stay or Should I Go? Surviving a Relationship with a Narcissist.
Should I stay or should I go? No, that's pretty interesting. I've always wanted to do an interview style channel like that. Just talk to really interesting people. Man, Facebook is just screwing with me. I got a terrible entry on that. That was a stupid entry. I'd actually be profitable today if it wasn't for Facebook. Spread's holding its uptrend.
I'm back.
Welcome back.
Figured I'd give it a few minutes. Maybe I'd come back with a fresh new eye.
There you go.
I'm about to make
Were you
some
bragging
grilled
about your
cheese.
eye?
What it used to be, Hector? Yeah, Alex. Yeah, you do have to be careful on who you're following and stuff. And that's why I don't sell a course either. Nobody can call me a scam because I'm not trying to sell you something. People only watch my content because they find value in it. There are good courses out there though. It just depends on your situation and what you want to learn. All right, yeah, looks like Facebook's was a fake short. I was hoping it'd break back down to low end of the range. Yep, there's my stop on Facebook. Damn. Well, I could take this long now. Yeah, could be a decent long. See if I can get filled. Shit. How's that? 70 cents? Nope.
This was good a minute ago.
Not gonna get
I
it.
see that.
Buy with OTC brackets.
OSTK.
120 shares.
It's not a big mover though. I'm just gonna sit there and grind.
See if we can get filled on Facebook. Long. Wait, he trades with balance transfer from his credit card and then trading on margin with it. Wait, is he profitable? Is that? There's no way he. What? I want
Apple long.
I want to see his trading videos now.
It's been down for 4 days.
Hey, I'm Andrew Hales. I'm here with Dr.
Yeah, that's crazy, dude.
I don't see any of his trading videos. Oh, Andy sells his own book. Well, is he a millionaire from all his other stuff, or is he a millionaire because of his trading? I'm actually been contemplating pretty heavily on releasing my personal financial information, doing a video over like how I make money.
Watching Win too. Above what, 130, 150.
You can trade from your phone, Alex. It depends on typically swing trading. You don't want to day trade with your phone. It's
Is it looking good?
kind of rough doing that, but you can perfectly swing. There's a lot of people that swing trade using Robinhood. MDB, short squeeze scanner. It's 19 million float, 25% short interest. It's holding the trend, uptrend. Probably coming back up to highs. Low volume, but
Say AMDB?
MDB. I just typed it in Trading Pit. It's got about another dollar move almost. Yeah, if you're busy, swing trading is definitely the way to go rather than day trading. Come on, Fred, do something. Nah, this is a terrible, terrible stock. It's already touched the 200. I don't see this thing going anywhere. It is above VWAP, but nah. Shorts are just going to get into this. I'm going to get out of it. Yeah. Roku's going my way. There we go.
Win still holding.
I'm going to take half
About
profits here
25 cents on the trade. Apple's also holding.
Took half profits on Roku.
They're nice.
I do get a return on Clash. I make money on YouTube. So my business model is I make money passively, but you get to educate yourself for free. So, the only thing it costs you is time and whatever you pay your internet provider. But as far as the transaction between me and you, it's totally free. I think really the reason for the way I do what I do is because damn it, I didn't get filled on Facebook. Fuck, that would have been a good long. I could have made all my money back there. Shitty entry though. I was a total failure in high school. I graduated 152 or like 151 out of 152 in my school. My GPA was like less than a 1.0. I didn't go to college or anything, so I really hate the way our education systems are set up in America. And I found that I could educate myself on YouTube, and that's really how I've made a living for the past 12 years, is learning CNC and manufacturing and stuff and 3D printing, which was my old job, all from just YouTube. So I just took that same model of free education, but I still make money on the back end, even though it doesn't cost you guys any money.
Apple looking great.
Roku broke opening price. Bit overextended. Yeah, I'm going to be making a video that kind of tells the story of how I got
I'm going to take a partial on
how this
NBB.
YouTube channel started and why I got into day trading. Yeah, I make, when I started out, I didn't make any money from YouTube. But these past couple months, especially with live streaming has doubled my revenue on YouTube.
Apple.
So I make good money. I don't need to sell something. And I know if I get day trading down and swing trading, I'll be able to make money. So I don't need to. I don't want to have to rely on selling a course to make a living. So I've kind of designed my financial planning differently than most gurus and furus out there on day trading. SQ. I mean, that's long, but I don't know. I think this is a short. This might be this is an important point right now on SQ. Yeah, I fucking hate the American education system. It's total garbage. It'll prepare you to get in debt and be a slave for the next 10 years of your life if you don't get a scholarship. The only time I would say that college is a good thing.
Still trying to push that 132.
If you're dead set on being a doctor or a lawyer or something, yeah, then you should go to college, obviously. But if you're doing anything other than like a really high skill job, and you don't truly love it, then your only option is to have some kind of scholar that or something to pay, like a grant to pay for your tuition, because nobody factors in the debt when they go into college, and That's just something I didn't see. I had the option to go to a community college, and I did it for like a couple months. And it took them an entire semester to teach me CAD 3D CAD design. I taught myself everything they taught me in a week on YouTube. So I was just like, fuck this. I'm not gonna pay and go into debt for using a software that's like 10 years old when I can teach myself everything that they taught me in the semester within less than a week on the internet. And you know, the education system, it is going through a revolution right now with the internet and all the content that's coming out, where, you know, school systems just can't keep up with the changing information of today. It's just too damn fast. Yeah, would you trade? Did you design with AutoCAD, Jason? Yeah, 3D Max. I'm guessing your school probably had outdated software, especially you're older than me, aren't you, Jason? You probably were designing in what, the early 2000s. Oh, you are? Okay.
Watch and win, guys.
WIN.
WINN. Looking for it to break out. 132.
WINN currently at $3. And
WYNN.
Still long Apple also. And watching Roku right now for a new high.
Oh, that's a nice one. What's your break target? 132?
Correct. I'm already in it long, but
it's nice long.
WY.
How long have I been trading? I've been messing with trading for over a year, but I've been dedicated to day trading. I paper traded for about a month and a half. I blew up my first account almost 2.5 months, 3 months maybe. What advice to a new trader? Find somebody. Find a mentor or somebody that can help you out a lot and dedicate a lot of time to you, or find somebody that you really like their style of trading.
I don't think blew up is a fair way to say what you did.
Kind of grinded down more than blown up.
Yeah. You didn't make one huge error.
I didn't really blow up my account, but basically just go to 0 damage. Roku's testing new highs.
Yeah, I haven't jumped in Roku yet. The technical entry would be right here. I just don't know how much gas she's got.
I think I'm in it from like 65, 50 or something.
Very nice, sir.
Man, this thing's got.
That's right. You grabbed it right before the VWAP.
What would I do differently if I started trading today? That's a good question. It's a very good question. There goes Roku.
Yeah, nice.
What would I do different today? I don't know, because I've learned so much from my style. Like, I have like a method. I have a methodology when I learn stuff on the internet, and I always just kind of repeat that. So, you know, learning day trading is no different than how I learned how to do 3D design or program CNC machines, or you know, do YouTube and do photography and videography. So would I do anything different? I would study more. I would focus more on learning how different traders trade and learning the types of traders there are in the market, and then figuring out which one would be best for me. So I'm currently using an EMA-based strategy that I'm actually really liking if I could just get the damn thing down. But I didn't really ever study any EMA traders. I watched all of the you know, big traders, or the most popular traders like Warrior Trader and Ricky, and well, Ricky's an EMA trader, I guess, but he's a VWAP intraday and swing EMA, and then like Ross Cameron and stuff.
Trying for that 132.
And you really bottleneck yourself when you don't study a bunch of different traders, and you have to have a big diversity of style of traders too. So a lot of the most popular traders out there are penny stock traders and low float traders, and it's just you kind of pigeonhole yourself if you only study one style or one type of trader. So there's low float traders, there's breakout traders, there's range traders, there's momentum traders, there's then you get into ETF traders, or you know, the big market cap ETF trader, or big market cap traders like trading Netflix and Amazon, and then you get options traders, which options are really interesting too. There's so many different ways to trade. And the hardest part is learning it all first, and then figuring out which kind of trader you are. Yeah, I would probably agree with that, expat. If you're swing trading and you want safety, option trading the large caps is a solid way to swing and day trade. The guys that I'm currently studying, they swing trade and they trade options.
Or which one to apply when.
Yeah, that too. I would say one of the easiest ways to start trading, if you want to day trade, VWAP. VWAP is probably the easiest study and the most popular study to use and learn, and it can be applied to all types of stocks. It's one of those studies that's interchangeable across the board, and it's you just throw it on your charts and start watching it, and learn how.
Apple's still pushing.
VWAP confirmation with price action trading.
Watch Fred.
It's probably a very good way to start.
Still in it. Needs to
I
go.
know this song. Well, I know this beat. I try to stream the entire market, but today I'm probably going to shut down in about 20 minutes because I got videos to shoot and edit and make. Yeah, you have to. So the guys that I study for trading options, they technically trade them as if they're equity, but they just use options to make more money. They trade the equity and the options as well.
She's trying.
See if Fox. It totally depends on your strategy, Alex. Well, for example, I was in a swing trade and unfortunately I got stopped out, but I was in HTZ way back over here on this daily chart. I got into this at like this big cup and handle. I was looking for the price action reversal. I got into it at like 1385. And I got stopped out on this big red day, unfortunately. But immediately after that, it swung, and I could have made 50%. And I was trading about $1,000, so you would have made $500 within a half a month. Now you're not always going to get trades like that. Swing trading with that was earnings call, so it ripped on earnings. And we were actually watching this. If you go back through some of my older videos. I think this was 8.7. So if you can find my 8.7 live stream video of HDZ, it's that big rip. All right, out full on Roku. Yeah, it's in the Discord. Joshua, it's already downloadable. It's a lot of the stuff that I make, I just give out. It's in the Discord under Garen's Trading, position sizing, right here. Position sizing cheat sheet version 2.2. Download is right there. I do not trade crypto. Maybe one day.
So we missed Accor this morning, ACOR. It's a pity.
It was too late for me to tell you guys, but I'm in TLRY long. I've already partialed out for a scalp for the breakout. $100 shares left in it, that's all.
I have not, but
I see where you went in now.
Yeah, I went in at the breakout.
Isn't Shirkle in
Good
prison, or did he get out of it?
Yep.
Who would you recommend as an options trader teacher? I don't feel comfortable recommending any options traders because I haven't studied any options traders other than the guys that I'm in, but I haven't gone through their course. I wish I had gone through Levy. So these are the guys that I've been studying currently. This is a group of traders, and account builder with Levy. This right here is supposed to be a really, really good options trading for small accounts and growing, trading the large caps and stuff. I'm currently studying Spartan trading, which is the technical charting, these EMAs and technical charting. But he has some videos on options. It's very basic stuff. It's not as in depth. This is like a dedicated options course. I have not gone through Levy's course, so I can't really comment on what it's like or how good it is. But I have talked to a few people who've had it, and they like it.
389.25 now.
Only other options trader I know of, I think Jason Bond is an options trader, an options swing trader, but I'm not entirely sure if he's options or equity. If you want to swing trade, I would highly recommend options over equity because the downside risk is better. TLRY. A nice trade on TLRY. Damn, that was a picture-perfect flag setup that I should have traded on that.
Still pushing.
Send me your favorite video of Martin Circle and I'll check it out. I like watching, videos, educate or anything finance. Roku's breaking down.
Yeah, it was just a quick scalp, but still good money on it.
Get out Roku for $4.
And it still may go. Got a bullish engulfing candle, though. I mean, a bearish engulfing candle right here.
All right, I'm all out of everything. CGC is looking like it's on the high end. I'll be right back. I'm using Thinkorswim.
Roku breaking 67.
Yeah, that's going to be a grind. Tesla getting rejected by the 275.
All right, I'm gonna make some grilled cheese. I'll be back in like 10 minutes, 15 minutes.
That sounds good. Check RH.
Kind of watching Red real close right here. Just looks like she wants to go bearish, but
So
like
very
you
low.
said,
Okay.
Fred.
Fred.
But like you said, it does have good news, so
Yeah, it's not just a pump and dump. It's got something behind it.
still don't mean she won't go. Still don't mean she won't go bearish right here for me though.
Mm-hmm. Roku's still working. So Fred's going to be along for a bit.
Yeah, I don't think she's made up her mind yet. Well, I missed my good exit on Apple. That sucks. Win, trying 132 again. If we don't push through this time, I'll probably just come out of the trade. Can't let Apple get by me this time. Watching it at 218. Entry was 216.94, so we got a good entry on it. Win trying to break out still. Come on, break it. 132. We need a push here. Come on. Taking half on Apple right now. TLRY about to break out again. Come on, Apple. There's our 218 on Apple. Now we need it to hold. Cross through the VWAP. Apple testing the VWAP. All right, we need her to punch through and then sit on top. Apple's kind of one of those value buy plays. Been down for 4 days. Talks of the tariffs and Trump and building in-house or in the States. All right, win push. we need to hold the VWAP. We're just grinding.
Slow, man. Nothing's really popping.
It's been slow all morning. It's gonna slow down now too. Getting here to be 11:30ish. And in some good trades, just not moving very quick. Watch TLRY over 89 or at 90. Apple pushing. It's one of my better trades today. If anyone else got in it with me.
Sadly missed it.
Yeah, I bought it at the lows. ACOR. It's a late entry on it, but it's TLRY over 90. Come on, win.
All right, I'm back. You guys watching anything?
I'm still long Apple. Watching TLRY to break over 90. Watching OKTA, see if we can get over 72. And I'm short ACOR. OKTA pushing. It's trying.
There's your win move.
Yeah. Win pushing.
TLRY
There's our-
pushing.
Yeah.
Acor needs to break.
Yeah, that should be a pretty low risk short. I mean, it can have a big pop, obviously, because it's down so much, but that should be a pretty good short leg. Should be.
Shoulda, woulda, coulda.
I mean, I'm in from the break of 22, so. All right. OKTA, win, taking a partial. Thank you, win. There it is. Partial.
Yeah, it's I cooked it with bacon bits, Cajun, garlic pepper, or garlic sauce, and Himalayan salt.
Got to keep a tight leash on this one, guys, if you're in it.
Yeah, just put a little bit of Cajun on it. Oh, and cilantro.
Man, she's looking like she don't want to push. Come on, give us that one push. We already got our partial.
All right, I'm gonna get out of here, guys. I got some videos to shoot and stuff to do.
All right, man. There it goes. Come on.
All right, I will see you guys tomorrow. I'll be live streaming. Nice trades, Insanity, if you're in chat. Check out the Discord.
Hey, man.
Good, brother.
American Expo.
Yeah.
Is yeah, to see you, see you guys. Hey, Millennial. All right, I'm shutting down the stream. See you guys tomorrow.